and by his stripes, and we are healed, and by his nail-pierced hands, and we're free, and by his blood, and we're washed clean. Now we have the victory. Everybody say now.
Our sin is broken.
Yeah.
Jesus overcame it all.
Yes, he did. Oh,
He has won our freedom.
yeah.
Jesus has won it all.
He's won it all. Lift up your voice and say, ah, hallelujah.
You have won the victory.
Hallelujah. Hallelujah. Jesus has won it all.
You have won it all for me.
'Cause death could not hold.
Death could not hold you down.
Even though he tried to hold you down,
You are the reason.
you defeated death one time. Woo!
Seated in majesty.
You were seated on high. You were seated on high, God.
You are the reason.
Oh, yes, you are. Sing our God.
God is risen.
He's alive.
He's alive.
Say he's alive now.
The victory
He's alive now.
reigns on high.
Sing our God is
God
risen.
is risen.
Yeah.
He's alive.
Yes, he's alive now.
Victory
And he reigns on high. Sing our God is risen. Yes, he is alive now. And you are seated on high. And you reign. Sing our God is risen. Oh God. Emeletu Shava. And he reigns. Everybody say hallelujah. You have won the victory. Victory is yours, oh God. Hallelujah. Oh God. Yes, you have won it all. You have won it all. For me, for me, for me. Even though we tried to hold you down, and you see that in majesty, and you see that in majesty. Oh God, you are the risen King.
You are the reason.
Oh, hell thought it had him, but the grave couldn't keep him. Chains broke, the stone rolled, and all of heaven rolled. He is risen. 1 Corinthians 15:55. Oh death, where is your sting? Oh grave, where is your victory? This is not just a song, it is the anthem of the redeemed. Hallelujah. Woo! So we say, death could not hold you down. Death could not hold you down. Death could not hold you down. Everybody help me say now.
Could not hold you down. Death could not
That could not hold you down, God.
hold you down.
That could not hold you down.
Could not hold
The stony road, the stony road, and the chains are broken. The veil is torn. You resurrected, oh God. Oh, so we say now, that could not hold you down. That could not hold you down. That could not hold you down. You are the reason, everybody say now. That could not hold you down. That could not hold you down. Oh, everybody say that. That tried to hold you. You defeated him, oh God. That could not hold. That could not hold. The grave could not hold you. The grave that could not hold you. That could not hold you down. That could not hold you down. Oh, that could not hold you. That could not hold you. That cannot hold you. The grave cannot hold. The grave cannot hold. The grave cannot hold. The grave cannot hold. The grave cannot. That cannot. That could not hold you down, oh God. And you were seated on high, oh God.
You are the reason.
That could not hold you down. That could not hold you down. That could not hold you down. The grave couldn't keep you. The stone is rolled. The veil is turned. The stone is rolled. The stone is rolled. Jesus is risen, and he's alive. He's alive. He's alive. And he's alive. Jesus, he's alive. Jesus is alive. Jesus is alive. Jesus is alive. Jesus is alive. The stone is rolled. The stone is rolled. The stone. The veil is turned. Now we have access. Now we have access. Now we have could not hold you down. Oh, don't deve. He's alive. He's alive.